I think the size length of the neckline is, you get the end of the placket like that here, because the mandarin combined with polo collar, because the polo collar is at the top of the mandarin, so the mandarin is up to here. You get the, put a little bit extra there for the edge, so like that up to the end. On the other side like that. So 19 and a half or 19 and 3/4. So my technique is, because sometimes it is not exactly what I measure, my technique that I made for myself is 19 and 3/4. I will make an extra inches like 21, because sometimes it is long, it is short. So if I make a pattern paper, I will follow that, but the other side has no final, like the drawing, right? The drawing of the mandarin is like a little rounded like that at the end. What I did is I only cut the rounded at the other side, and the other side is not. So if I found out it is short or long, and then I will get the other rounded mandarin design and then cut at the same time, the same at the other side, so they will be the same. I will show you later, but if it is exact fabric that I cut, no problem, it's just continue. And then I will show you the next video as well, the sports collar, how to install them together with the mandarin. It doesn't need interlining because this is already hard. It will stand up by itself. Thanks for watching.